How to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11. When you try to install or launch a software, Windows Defenders may delete it and you'll get the virus and threat protection message. So how do you fix that in Windows 11 or 10? Watch video till end also. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on that Start button, and on the Start menu, type in Windows Security. Click on the result that pops up just like the one you see on my screen. Click on where you see Virus and Threat Protection. It will take you to this page. I want you to scroll below to Ransomware Protection. Click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Now, toggle this off. A screen will pop up. Click on Yes. Now go back to Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings. In this section, you have to toggle off everything. Click on Dismiss. Toggle off and click Dismiss. After doing all this, you have successfully disabled virus and threat protection in Windows 11 or 10, and you can now install or run your application without getting the error. Important notice: disabling virus and threat protection can expose your PC to harmful files, viruses, and malware. Only disable it temporarily when installing trusted applications and turn it back on immediately after installation to keep your computer safe. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with others. Also, watch the video you see on screen.